The police are searching for a gunman who shot and killed a soup vendor in the People's Arcade in Montego Bay, St. James on Saturday. According to reports, the woman was about to exit her vehicle when a lone gunman opened at her. It's understood her 3 children were in the vehicle at the time of the shooting. The St. Mary police are investigating the circumstances that led to an early morning collision along the Prospect Main Road, which caused the death of 1 person and multiple persons being injured. It's reported that the incident occurred in the vicinity of Reggae Beach about 2:30 a.m. yesterday. The incident involved a gray Toyota Probox motorcar and a gray Toyota Vitz motorcar. Reports indicate that the Toyota Vitz was traveling easterly along the roadway when the driver observed bright lights approaching from the opposite direction and swerved, resulting in a collision with the Toyota Probox. All injured persons were transported to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. Now, the driver of the Toyota Probox, 47-year-old taxi operator, was pronounced dead at hospital. The driver of the Toyota Vitz and several other occupants from both vehicles sustained injuries and are currently receiving treatment.